We are in the state of Jalisco, the city of tequila, the world center of production for the drink. Endless plantations of blue agave, beautiful. But where are the cacti? Many believe tequila is made with cactus, but it's not. The base ingredient is blue agave juice. They have to get to the core of the agave by cutting the leaves. Then the agave is chipped away until it gradually changes into a giant pineapple. It looks so easy, but it all depends on who's doing it. The shovel is heavy. Antonio is holding my waist, as if that's going to help me. This is how tequila is extracted. Bear that in mind when you're drinking it. Remember how tough this job is. I really enjoyed cutting the stump. It's like agave therapy. Had a fight with your husband or wife? You just come out into the field and start hacking away with your tools. I think it's great for stress relief. Comment if you enjoyed agave therapy. I wonder what agave tastes like. It is crunchy, like radish, but it's totally flavorless. A single tuber produces up to 8 liters of tequila. How did the indigenous people come up with the idea of making a drink from the plant? It's said that the gods struck the agave with lightning and the juice came out of it, which was then fermented. The gods gave us tequila and we accepted it. The indigenous people had drinks which contained little alcohol. It was the conquistadors who increased the alcohol content. From the plantation, the agave is sent directly to these ovens and left there for 38 hours. This is what baked agave looks like. It's dried fruit with juice. It tastes basically like that. It's very hard to chew. Then the fermentation. Sugar is converted into alcohol, distilled twice, and 55 degrees, right? Everyone's waiting for me to drink. Tequila is not drunk in one gulp. You savor it. I'll show you how I was taught. You have to inhale it. So first you breathe it in, and then you drink, and then exhale. Well, wish me luck.
Are you okay?
I've got this nice warmth flowing all through my body. Distilled tequila is transparent. The magic happens in the barrels. All the barrels are made from white French oak, and depending on how the oak is burned, the flavor of the tequila changes. This means the flavor is affected by the aging and the burning of the barrel. Be careful and look at the label. A true blue agave tequila will say it is 100% blue agave. If it says mixta, it means 51% agave plus other types of alcohol. Only Mexican factories can write the name tequila on the bottle of the pure drink. There are more than 120. Some are owned or sponsored by world stars. Among them are Elon Musk, George Clooney, and Dwayne Johnson. Eva Longoria declared that tequila is a drink for women and created her own premium brand where almost all the employees are girls. Tequila Blanco, Reposado, and Añejo can be told apart based on the aging time. Let's try.